Yo, guys and goddesses, you don't know this Mr. Vegas, aka Subi. Now, people, I want to play something from Ricky Trooper and then we are going to address it, see?
Now, people, because I don't want this video too long, so I do it in a two section today. Them people, them artists, they know, see? No support from them. Uno wicked. Uno the wickedest set of people, let me say, man. You know much uno we fight and boss, select a fight and boss boy, through social media come on the feet so no need we again. Eh? Then me hear one of them a quarrel. Me hear one of them artists a quarrel about how man a get money. Man a collect money for play a song and this and that and rare. See? Me not even mean sorry. Vegas you me a talk to. See? So Vegas, you see we a fight a struggle with the Nice Abatement Act. And you no come say, gentlemen, see? This was a long time, rare and blah blah. Me know where you come right.
Alright, so I can address that. My video about the Nice Abatement Act was done before Ricky Trooper video from September 2nd.
Well, gods and goddesses, this Mr. Vegas, aka Subi. Now people just need some addressing. The government of Jamaica is turning off dancehall events at 12 midnight. Not only that, the government of Jamaica is locking up selectors, throwing them in jail if they go over the 12 midnight rule that is set.
That was September 2nd before Trooper come do any video. See? Boom. Listen again.
The thing, me no want a man can use as no leverage to get leverage for uno. I come right on it, figure some boom and get mileage for yourself. You come say, okay Ricky Trooper, me here you make some good points, but this have to talk about and rare and this and that. Vegas, me tell you something, you get your run bout ya. All I know artists boy ya. No found you get on the run boy ya. Same? What you do for the business back? Eh? The youth them cause a boom come and do them thing, people. You understand them and do them thing. And the producers want to give them money. Who is you, Mr. Vegas? How dare you if you come go on like say, you are come chat boy, you want to be informer. See? And call police and tell the police commissioner about this and that and ban this and one area. Anybody a try ban your food, you know rich and do what you do. Mr. Vegas, you ever give back to Jamaica yet? Me never.
As me could talk about that then. Alright. So Vegas has tried to stop youth food. Vegas now try to stop no youth food. Vegas has talk about the man them where stick up the artists them. See? The man them where run the business in the ground. The man them will stick up artists and I tell people bring them money come. So we are talking for all the little young artists and we're talking for all the little young artists them who cannot afford it. And some man I tell all some man who not even have money to buy food. So them have to bring them money come. So we are saying if we don't keep doing that something there, some man are going to start to rob people and some man are going to start scam and them thing there. Because when man want bus to get a better life, because man have them talent and can't bus. So when they want bus to get a better life and them have to go to selector, go pay a selector to play them song, it a mash up the business. Additionally people, Ricky Trooper, him a talk sideways out time out, I know the real thing we're going. Enough of them money when you pay them to play your song, you have to pay a next man for going at the dance at night time, go make sure so the man where you pay 50 grand and 60 grand a month. Seeing? Because me do it people. Seeing? You have to pay somebody like a earthman. Seeing? For going at the dance at night time, for you watch certain selector. Not all of them, because you have some youth, you give them a piece of food and them look out for you. But you have some selector who say that them around the place, right? You have to pay a man. Figure remind them after you pay them like a rent you pay no people. You have to pay a man because remember say we love music. Some boy at about we rich and have money. Like we're supposed to just go and just love the business because we don't love music. Seeing we don't love music. We don't want no music again because we're rich. And the money we love Ricky Trooper. And music we love. That's why we sing for sound system. We used to sing for sound system and all of them something there. Seeing? So boom, some of them money people and a producer give money. Them a tell producer how much to give them. You understand? Enough producers stop producing like Tony Kelly and enough of the people them because them not go pay none of them man to play them music. Lenky and them man they not going on a party go stand up and pay no man to play no music. Next thing, them a say artists for party and all of them things there and party with people and all of these things if them want them music get played. Enough artists can't bother go skettle out themselves in the dance. Because when you go in the dance and the selector them see you every night and them thing there, them start lose respect for you because everybody a take you for granted. Seeing them see you in the dance every night, you get regular. That thing there where people used to look for artists and look up to artists and all of them thing there. Them thing they not to go on again. Everybody has see artists nowadays and I see artists over this and I see artists on social media. So sometimes you come on out yourself people and when you do a little show now around the road, nobody no come. Nobody not come here show because them see you every night in the party. So you just get regular. See? You just get regular. See? No, some man has said them not see artists, so them not play artist song. Una see Rihanna them in the dance. Una see Jay-Z them in the dance. Una not see them but you play and ball out on a voice man feed them music. Trooper, you say we no get artist dub plate. You get the most free dub plate in our music. So nobody talk about free dub plate. Artists not charge selector, big selector, top selector for dub plate. Sometimes we not go in a clash and we not check some artists because the song is already a hit song and a man say give them 20 or 30 grand and blah blah blah. Because we don't want to customize the dub plate. We don't want we call Panther them name. We don't want we call Mighty Crown name. And them thing they know artists know is a risk. It's a risk artists around for call the man them name and this up selector for dub plate for you Ricky Trooper. So when a man go put in career upon the line, a man say, Ricky Trooper, you have to give me 50 grand. See, and you want customized dub plate. See, and if selector want dub plate, nowadays artists, right now, we just give them dub plate. We not have a problem give them dub plate. So I lie you tell, nothing go so. No artists not stick up no selector about them, they not forget dub plate. I lie you tell Trooper. You get the most free dub plate, boy. Go ahead. And next thing, Ricky Trooper, you say artists, for low, selector make them eat them food. And also selector used to eat food. Selector used to be the ones them where bust music boy. Selector used to be the ones them where produce music boy. King James is a selector. And King Jam is a imbus dancehall music. I uno stop produce. I uno stop find ways of make money. Uno fi have a label. Ricky Trooper, where your label there? You itch up in a Kilimanjaro for years and when them kick you away from around a Kilimanjaro, the only thing you have some dub plate. See? The only thing you can salvage from your whole of your career is some like a customized dub plate where can't give you no publishing. Kilimanjaro have them label. Stereo One have label. King Jammys have label. Stone Love have label. Renaissance have label. Where your label there, Ricky Trooper? Wish you to boss boy. Wish you to take that studio and produce song and say, yo, this is my label. This, me not talk no artist where you can't go get to selector. I can't go get to producer. Me attack you go in a studio and say, yo, this is a Ricky Trooper label. Where your label there, boy? Eh? You boss nobody boy upon a label. Real selector boy, a boss artist. From nothing, as a selector. Jammies them used to give artists money. How you come know about say man for low man make money all of them something there, blah blah. We not stop man from make money. We have to stop stick up the business because enough of the people them when them are lack out of the business and them are the foundation for dancehall. And them hold it up when them go up on stage show right now to this day. Elephant, Beanie Man, Vegas them go up on stage show amongst the little young artists them. We have to be the one we hold up the show. We not say them not for them on the show, but we no can't lack out the hit makers them out of music. That way I say. Now go and talk where you talk. So I be go and talk.
Me never see a paint no KPH or nothing like Bounty Killer or a give back. Eh? What you do for this? How much youth you ever held? You know how much money me spending a marching band in Jamaica? How much thousands of US dollars me put back in our system for make some look youth with that Spanish town where we come from clans and one other area. See? Come together. Under one. I'm going to learn to play drum and blow a bugle.
Alright. So what Vegas do back for Jamaica? You know do half of what me do for Jamaica, my youth. You know do half of what me do for Jamaica. I now walk and talk about that because I now look appellation. See? But me tell you one thing, my youth. The mustard seed communities, I want you help them to when you attack. You mentioned to make some people donate to them because they have some little children down there with HIV and special needs. And me, I one of the youth who used to walk around the drum and make people put things in the drum. Stand up in a supermarket, get artists together, stand up in a supermarket and say, yo, when you buy two tin something, you can put two canned goods, you can put one in the drum. So the youth them can eat. So me keep on showing them something if you try to raise money for them. So I have to look at appellation from them thing the Ricky Trooper. But what you must know is, enough time you help Jamaican people and it turn around back upon you. You have to understand that. Because I remember when me a girl and I pack the drum them, I couldn't even get nobody to pick them up. Because people tell me say, them not do delivery. The people when me think that it help me. You have to know these things, Ricky Trooper. So I now look appellation for what I do. So you now see me go around and highlight what I do for people. You understand? Because guess what? Somebody give me a chance, and I give back people a chance. So I now have to highlight it. Then you, them it can go studio and Stone Love it send me go music school, Weepo send me go music school. See, but me know we a problem. I true me tell us say low Weepo. Because when the man them did go lock off dancehall, Weepo say no can't lock it off and get till 4 o'clock. Because the man them did a plan for lock off dancehall long time. Go Ricky Trooper, I want to you. You talk about infirmary. I say any man where you stick up the business and I run out the selector and the not the selector, the artist and the good producer them out of business. Give me them name, me when me give that to the permit, I want to you, go some boy no forget no permit boy. Because them a mash up dancehall with bread and butter. See? So they look at you them for eat, but they look at you them for know say, them no for stick up nobody for play no music and no some music set. Nobody no forget no stick up boy. And man at about bring you no money come. Go Ricky Trooper, where you promote. Where you promote. Go I want to you. Go